of the late Brian Levy, an AI simulation of a dead guy.
Someone craved retribution.
You can't fight back.
It's programmed for
Next
event.
week on NBC, Law & Order Season 25 Episode 12 arrives, and this one already feels significant, both for the story it tells and for where it sits on the schedule. The episode is titled Never Say Goodbye, and on the surface, that name alone suggests something deeply emotional. But is it tied to the case itself, a personal reckoning for one of the detectives, or something even more complicated? At this point, there are multiple possibilities, and that uncertainty is exactly what makes the episode intriguing. This installment also carries extra weight because it airs right before the Winter Olympics hiatus. Episodes in this slot often aim to leave a strong impression, and there is good reason to believe this one will do just that. Here is the official synopsis for Season 25 Episode 12. Riley and Walker investigate the murder of a flight investigator, struggling to uncover the true motive behind the crime. When Walker's police work is challenged in court, Price and Maroon shift their legal strategy and attempt to put the defendant's state of mind on trial. At the center of the episode is Walker, whose actions come under serious scrutiny in the courtroom. Being questioned publicly, especially in a legal setting, is never easy for a detective, and this storyline looks poised to test him in a way that goes beyond the crime itself. The hope is that by the end of the hour, viewers finally get some closure on this arc, or at least a clearer sense of where Walker stands moving forward. Meanwhile, Price and Maroon are right where they belong, navigating complex courtroom strategy. Rather than focusing solely on physical evidence, they pivot toward intent and psychology, putting the defendant's mental state at the heart of the case. That shift opens the door for moral ambiguity, something Law & Order has always excelled at exploring. If there is one thing longtime fans know well, it is that this franchise does not always deliver neat endings. Many of its most memorable episodes leave room for interpretation, and Never Say Goodbye feels like it could be cut from that same cloth. So the big questions heading into Episode 12 are clear. Will Walker clear his name? What truth lies behind the investigator's murder? And will the episode end with resolution, or uncertainty that lingers through the hiatus? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TV Promo Recap for weekly previews, breakdowns, and updates on Law & Order and all your favorite NBC dramas. Stay tuned, this case may be harder to walk away from than it first appears.